Hi, Rochelle with Lady Fermenter. Today I'd like to brew a Belgian Tripel, but not any Belgian Tripel. This Belgian Tripel. So as promised, today I'm going to be brewing a Belgian Tripel, and my hope is that I get really close to this Belgian Tripel. This is Westmalle, Trapasale Belgian Tripel. Let's get started. For this 6-gallon or approximately 23-liter batch of Belgian Tripel, we will be using 84.8% North Star Pilsner malt, 3% dextrin malt, followed by 1 gram of Magnum with 7 grams of Willamette into the boil, and 28.4 grams of Czech Saaz at 15 minutes, and then our 2 pounds or 0.907 kilograms of sugar will be added at 5 minutes. When doing a triangle test, you should have 3 cups. They should be opaque in color so that they cannot see the beer, and secretly set this up so that they don't know which is which. All right. Can you tell the difference between homebrewed Belgian Tripel and Westmalle? You gotta pick the odd one out.
Pick the odd one?
Pick the odd one.
This one here?
That's the odd one?
Mm-hmm. The middle one.
Yeah.
Yep.
What do they taste like? Why does it taste, why do you think it's different?
Because this one has a little bit of a sour slash citrusy flavor to it.
Oh.
Where the other two don't.
So which one do you like better? So you think the middle one is the odd one,
Yep.
and it has a sour, citrusy flavor?
Sour slash citrusy kind of flavor.
Okay, and so is there any one that you like better than the other?
The other two I like better.
You like the
Honestly.
other two better?
Yeah.
Okay. Good job. All in all, I'm very happy with the first attempt of the Westmalle Tripel recipe design, despite having to make some ingredient changes based on what we had on hand. Please like and subscribe, and if you'd like to see our recipe design video, please visit our channel, and thanks a pint for watching.